we doing today? Well, we have our first problem with the car. I got into work last night and I wanted to start the car and let it warm up before I left. And I started it up and it was running fine when I parked it, and it dropped a beat or two and missed a little bit right when I started up, and it smoothed out, but it's always had a bit of a stumble at cold start, and then it was fine. Well, after that last time, I've got a check engine light, the stability light, and the low tire pressure light. And Google search has me hopeful that it's just needing the reflash to fix the idling problem these cars tend to have, and this is a 2013. I'm hoping it's not the oil control valves, but if it is, we can fix that. Hopefully it's nothing major. We're about to run to the parts store real quick and have a code pulled on it. So let's go see what the computer says is wrong. So we're at O'Reilly's and had the codes pulled. We have a P0455 and a P0441, and they're all EVAP codes. So hopefully, God willing, it's nothing too big of a deal, and we can fix a gas cap or check a charcoal canister or something stupid. But it is not the idle problem, and it is not the oil problem, and that's what I was concerned about. So here we go. So I figure we check the simplest thing first, and go ahead and check the gas cap. Let's see here. Let's make sure the gas cap's on all the way. Always check simple things first. Ah. Okay. I do feel like a bit of an idiot. And my tires were about 5 pounds low all the way around, since it's now getting cold here down south. And I aired all those up, and guess what? Everything is fixed. Thanks for watching the video, everybody. Please like, comment, and subscribe right here for more Rage Fuel content. We'll see you next time.